Hey, this is Tariq. Today I am talking about Microsoft Excel, which is most popular spreadsheet software in the world. Today I tell you how to calculate NPV, that means net present value in Microsoft Excel. For this required math, the given info is firm's cost of capital 10% given, year 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 0 means the initial value of project A and project B. The initial value of project A 42,000 and project B 45,000, and other value is 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. And then we can easily calculate net present value, that means NPV. For this, enter equal and formula of NPV, then start the bracket and then enter in cost of capital 10%. It's both for project A and project B. Then entered value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If here the year 1 to 10, then we will enter all of the year. Here 1 to 5, so we entered the 5 years. Then value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drag, then comma and minus initial value, and then close the bracket and entered. Here we got our net present value for project A is $29,363.11, and then we can calculate for NPV for project B same way, equal NPV, start the bracket, rate 10%, then value 1 to 5 years, then minus initial value 45,000, then close the bracket and entered. It was $30,523.07. This is the simple way to calculate net present value in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for today's